What's up, y'all? Might know me as a best looking man in Denver, Colorado. That's a little loud, yo. Polo G, Polo G. Alright, so got the shades on, douchebag mode on. Turn it the fuck down, thank you. Alright, what's up, guys? So I'm just making this video for one reason. Alright, right here. It's right here for you guys. Alright, read it, search it on Google. Okay, some snippets. In other words, I'm the copy and paste king. Copy and paste king. Alright. Yo, I love you guys. I love my boy over there. Dota Bros for life.
Up.
Is it 9 in the morning yet, bro?
What the fuck is time, bro?
9 in the morning?
Time for a shot? Shot time.
Oh, I said that on camera. Oh shit. Hey, I know you're gonna see this, so I already told you. Alright? I'll see you at the top, buddy. Alright.
Damn, 9 o'clock, shot time?
But for real, thank you guys for supporting Dota Bros. Just for kicks, you know. It's been a long day. And yes sir. If you guys are interested in backlinking, the link to our group will be in the description. So yep, that's a wrap. See you guys later. Peace. Yeah, buddy.